Hello, Geography, MCQ of Geography, and topic is Solar System 20 MCQ Part 4. As Solar System is a very important topic of physical geography in the government exam point of view, and that is the reason. And so we are going to see here the top 20 MCQ in part 4 of the topic of the solar system. And so let's see one by one. The first question here is the first question is here, question number 1, telling that green planet of the solar system is option A is given, option A is given Saturn, option B is given Uranus, and option C is given Mars, and option D is given Neptune. And correct option is option number B, Uranus. Next question is question number 2. Question number 2, telling that the planet that rotates from east to west. Option A is given Venus and Uranus, B is given Mercury and Mars, and C is given Uranus and Neptune, and D is given Jupiter and Saturn. And correct option is A, Venus and Uranus. Next question is question number 3, telling that question number 3, telling that if there is no sun, the color of a sky would be. Option A is given B, blue, and option B is given yellow, and option C is given black, and option D is given red. So correct option is option C, black. Next question is question number 4, telling that asteroids are found between the orbit of option A is given Mercury and Venus, option B is given Mars and Jupiter, and option D is given Earth and Mars, and option D is given Venus and Earth. And correct option is option B, Mars and Jupiter. Next question is question number 5, telling that question number 5, telling that question number 5, telling that the largest volcano, Olympus Mons, which is also the solar system's tallest mountain, is located on. And option A is Mars, option B is Mercury, option C is Earth, and option D is Jupiter. And correct option is option A, Mars. Next question is question number 6, telling that the inner planets are also called as. Option A is given Jovian planets, option B is given gaseous planet, option C is given terrestrial planet, and option D is given none of these. And correct option is option C, terrestrial planet. Next question is question number 7. Question number 7, telling that outer planets are also called as. Option A is given terrestrial planet, option B is given rocky planets, and option C is given Jovian planets, and option D is given all of these. And correct option is option C, Jovian planets. Next question is question number 8, telling that moon orbits the earth every. Option A is given 27.3 day, and B is given 29.5 day, and C is given 26.3 day, and D is given 15 day, 15 day, and correct option is option A, 27.3 day. Next question is question number 9, telling that question number 9 telling that who was the first person to reach the space? And option A is given Valentina Tereshkova, and option B is given Yuri Gagarin, and option C is given Alan Shepard, and option D is given Alexei Leonov, and correct option is B, Gagarin. Yuri Gagarin. Next question is question number 10, 10 telling that the planet with the least density, and option A is given Mercury, B is given Saturn, C is given Neptune, and D is given Earth, and correct option is B, Saturn. Next question is question number 11 telling that question number 11 telling that which planet has the highest density in solar system, and option A is given Earth, B is given Jupiter, and C is given Venus, and D is given Neptune, and correct option is option A, Earth. Next question is question number 12 telling that question number 12 telling that which is the only planet in solar system whose density is less than water, and option here given option A is given Mars, and B is given Mercury, and C is given Uranus, and D is given Saturn, and correct option is D, Saturn. Next question is question number 13. 13 telling that 13 telling that question number 13. 13 telling that question number 13 telling that which of the following statement is incorrect? Keep in mind here it asking incorrect about the Uranus. About the Uranus. And option A is given Uranus is also known as the green planet and it has faint ring around it. And option B is given it is an ice giant planet, and C is given it has 27 moons, and D is given it rotates from west to east, and this is incorrect. So correct option according to question is D, it rotates from west to east is correct, because this is wrong, it's incorrect statement. Next question is question number 14 telling that which planet has shortest rotation period, and option A is Earth, B is Uranus, and C is Jupiter, and D is Venus, and correct option is option C, Venus. Next question is question number 15 telling that the planet with the longest rotation period, option A is given Mercury, B is given Venus, C is given Jupiter, and D is given Earth, and correct option is option B, Venus. Next question is question number 16 telling that which of the following is at the center of the solar system, and option A is given Sun, B is given Earth, and C is given Moon, and D is given Mars, and correct option is A, Sun. Next question is question number 17 telling that which planets take the least time to complete one revolution around the sun, and option is given here Earth, and B is given Neptune, and C is given Uranus, and D is given Mercury, and correct option is option D, Mercury. Next question is question number 18. 18. Telling that which planet has the shortest day? Option A is given Venus, B is given Jupiter, and C is given Earth, and D is given Uranus. And correct option is option B, Jupiter. Next question is question number 19, telling that which planet has the no moons and no rings. And option A is given Saturn and Uranus, B is given Mercury and Venus, and C is given Jupiter and Saturn, and D is given Uranus and Neptune. And correct option is option B, Mercury and Venus. Next question is question number 20, telling that which of the following statement is correct about the planet Jupiter. Option A is given Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system, and B is telling that it has the shortest rotation period, and 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 C is telling that, and C is it is a gas giant planet and has faint ring around it, and D is given that, yeah, all of these statements are correct. So correct option is option D, all of these.